Well, howdy there. It's Crazy Kimmer. Enjoying the day. Got my bird. I named him Tom. He likes to swing. He's even got my Giga Water. He's kind of taking a liking to that, and I'm not liking that very much. You better share it there, Tom. Oh, see that? All right, Tom, that's enough of that. Goodness. Gosh darn turkey bird. Who the heck's he think he is? But that's all right. Because we're going to swinging. Don't y'all bond with your turkey before Turkey Day? I do. He sure does love a swinging. All right. I got to go. I want to get in the swing too. You know, I am a big child at heart. Can't forget my Salvador Dory drink, though. Oh, that's rough today. I'm a little hungover. Too much Giga Water last night. It's okay, though. All right, Tom. Let's tell our friends. Have a good day, people.